The best foods for your teeth are those that neutralize acids, provide minerals and vitamins to repair tooth enamel, and stimulate saliva. Here are the top 7 foods for your teeth. Number 1. Oranges. Oranges are a rich source of calcium, vitamin C and D, and other nutrients that are good for the health of your teeth. Orange juice will naturally cleanse your mouth by eliminating harmful bacteria and helping prevent tooth decay. Number 2. Milk. Milk is a dairy product that provides calcium and phosphates along with vitamin D, which helps the body make full use of the calcium. All these nutrients are essential for healthy teeth and strong bones. Drinking milk regularly will strengthen and repair tooth enamel as well as fortify your bones. Number 3. Apple. Eating apples increases saliva in the mouth and prevents cavity buildup by scrubbing your teeth's surface. Plus, they are loaded with various vitamins and minerals that aid in overall health. Try eating an apple after your dinner to help clean in between your teeth. Number 4. Cheese. Cheese is an excellent food choice to keep your teeth strong and healthy. Cheese is another saliva generator. It also contains calcium and phosphates that help neutralize acids in your mouth. Those who are prone to cavities would do well to eat a small piece of cheese after a meal to prevent decay. Number 5. Nuts. Different types of nuts provide essential vitamins and minerals for your teeth. For example, peanuts contain calcium and vitamin D. Almonds contain high levels of calcium. Cashews help stimulate saliva, and walnuts contain good amounts of fiber, folic acid, iron, magnesium, vitamins E and B6, potassium, and zinc that are all good for your teeth. Number 6. Yogurt. Plain non-fat yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and a good source of protein. Eating yogurt regularly will support dental health and can be a huge help if you are trying to lose weight. Bear in mind, for better health, you'll want to choose yogurt that is low in fat and sugars. Number 7. Sugarless gums. Various studies have proven that chewing sugarless gum can help improve dental health. Chewing gum helps clean your teeth by stimulating the production of saliva. Saliva washes away acids produced by bacteria in your mouth and bathes your teeth in bone-strengthening calcium and phosphate.